Hey, YouTube, what's going on? It's Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, wrestling with stocks. Today I'm going to be going over when a company does a spinoff, what a spinoff is, and how does that benefit you and help you. Okay, I'm going to use an example. ABC company is going to be doing a spinoff. Let's just say that you own 100 shares of the ABC company. The ABC company is going to be spinning off in a company on the inside of it, and it's going to be going out on its own to the field to do business for themselves. So ABC is going to say they're going to give you 1 share for every 10 shares you own. So ABC company, you have 100 shares. They're going to give you 1 share for every 10 shares that you own. So for this new company, we're going to call it XYZ. XYZ company, you will now have a 10-share stake in that company just for owning ABC company. Now, this happened with me with a few different stocks recently. I had a stock, and it actually, for every 50 shares I had, it spun off 1 cryptocurrency for owning the shares of the stock. So this is a great way to have a company in your portfolio and get free shares of a stock when or free money in your portfolio for just investing in a company who is increasing or getting bigger and is spinning another company off for its for whatever reason. They could spin it off for a lot of different reasons. I'm not going to go into why a company will spin off another company, other than it's just making a split, and it's going to become its own entity, no longer underneath the banner of the ABC company. So ABC company, again, you have 100 shares. They're going to give you 1 share of the XYZ company for every 10 shares that you own of the ABC company. You have 100 shares. Now you have XYZ company. You will have 10 shares when they make their split. So I hope this video helped. I hope it helped educate you guys out there. Again, we're starting really slow. We're trying to help people who are not familiar with the stock and stock market. What's going on with your portfolio? How are you making money? How are you progressing towards your future? Again, Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, wrestling with stocks. If you like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, share it, and hey, until next time, God bless all you guys out there. I really enjoy doing these videos, and if you enjoy them, please, again, hit that like button. In the description below, I'm going to add a link to Webull. If you don't have a trading platform yet, please click that link, follow the instructions, sign up, get yourself some free stocks, all right? Until next time, we'll see you.